Objects take shape as if by magic, created one layer at a time by a machine.
We're in a whole new world now where we're merging software and material science.
It's disruptive. We're destroying the old production methods that were used for decades. Now we're supposed to use 3D printing.
3D was once a method for niche products. Now it looks set to become a key technology that might even induce industries that have left Germany to come back home.
Imagine a world where your broken bone is repaired with an implant designed just for you, or where a damaged organ is replaced with one printed layer by layer from your own cells. Welcome to the frontier of medicine, a world being reshaped by 3D printing.
3D printing has revolutionized our world, providing endless opportunities for printing homes, to even modeling organs. And now, scientists are tackling the challenge of incorporating living cells into bone-like structures using a new ceramic ink.
Once a niche technology for prototyping, 3D printing has exploded into healthcare, transforming everything from surgical planning to organ transplantation. The medical 3D printing market is booming, growing from $3.44 billion in 2024 to nearly $4 billion in 2025, with forecasts predicting it could exceed $13 billion by 2033. Hospitals and research labs are racing to harness this technology, creating patient-specific implants in titanium and high-performance polymers like PEEK. These implants aren't just custom-fitted. They integrate seamlessly with the body, promoting bone growth, reducing stress on surrounding tissue, and dramatically speeding up recovery. Some maxillofacial implants even show excellent survival rates over 6 years, all while making surgeries faster and less invasive. But the revolution doesn't stop at metal and polymer. Bioprinting, the fabrication of living tissues using human cells, is tackling the global organ shortage head-on. In 2023, Seoul St. Mary's Hospital performed the first successful 3D printed windpipe transplant. Designed from the patient's own CT scans and stem cells, the organ required no immunosuppressants, and 6 months later, new blood vessels were forming naturally. From cutting down surgery times by hours to creating living organs, 3D printing isn't just a tool, it's a medical game changer, and we're only scratching the surface. 3D printing isn't just saving lives, it's saving time and money. Surgeons can now rehearse complex procedures on anatomically precise models before ever stepping into the operating room. On average, these 3D printed anatomical models shave 62 minutes off surgery times, and surgical guides save another 23 minutes. That's not just convenience, it's thousands of dollars saved per case, fewer complications, and faster patient recovery. In some heart surgeries, preoperative rehearsal on printed models has cut operating times by up to 25%, while aortic procedures have seen reductions of 1.5 to 2.5 hours. Point-of-care 3D printing labs inside hospitals make this efficiency accessible, even for smaller facilities, producing just enough models to break even while streamlining care. Then there's the bioprinting frontier, where the line between science fiction and reality blurs. Mobile bioprinters can now print skin cells directly onto burn wounds, accelerating healing. In trials, bioprinted skin achieved complete wound closure in 8 weeks, forming organized layers of dermis and epidermis faster than traditional methods. Cardiac tissue isn't far behind. Scientists have printed heart patches that improve blood vessel formation and tissue recovery in damaged hearts, and even 3D printed heart valves with flow rates rivaling natural valves. Bones and cartilage, long thought impossible to regenerate fully, are being recreated with stem cell-laden hydrogels, promoting real tissue growth with perfect structural alignment. Even pharmaceuticals are getting a makeover. 3D printed pills and microneedle patches batches allow for customized doses tailored to each patient's physiology, genetics, and disease profile. Multiple drugs can be combined in a single printed form, improving compliance and minimizing side effects. Hospitals can produce medications on demand, drastically reducing wait times and inefficiencies in traditional drug supply chains. Add AI to the mix and the possibilities explode. Machine learning predicts how bioinks behave, optimizes printing parameters, and even enhances tissue survival rates by over 30%, bringing truly personalized medicine within reach. Despite these breakthroughs, challenges remain. The biggest hurdle is vascularization, printing functional blood vessel networks inside organs. Without proper circulation, large bioprinted tissues can't survive, as cells need oxygen and nutrients within 100 microns of a capillary. Current printers struggle to create the intricate, multi-scale networks our bodies naturally have, limiting the size and longevity of printed organs. Technical hurdles abound as well. Bioinks are still limited in composition, printing resolution is often too coarse for fine tissue structures, and maintaining cell viability during printing is tricky. Even with advanced scaffolds, achieving mechanical strength and long-term stability in printed organs remains a challenge. Production is time-consuming and expensive, requiring specialized equipment and highly trained staff. On top of that, regulatory frameworks are still catching up. FDA approvals for implantable 3D printed devices can take 12 to 18 months longer than traditional implants, and clear rules for bioprinted tissues or organs are still under development. Yet the future is dazzling. 4D printing, materials that change shape over time in response to stimuli, promises adaptive implants and smart drug delivery systems. Nanotechnology could enable self-adjusting implants and precision-targeted therapies. Hospitals may soon manufacture prosthetics, implants, and even medications on demand directly at the point of care, which could revolutionize access in remote or underserved regions. Research is accelerating toward fully functional organs. Hearts, livers, kidneys, and lungs are all targets, with teams working to recreate complex tissue environments and integrate multiple cell types. Space-based bioprinting facilities are even being tested, exploring how microgravity could improve tissue fabrication. Dental 3D printing is booming as well, with AI streamlining the production of crowns, bridges, and aligners with surgical precision. The promise is profound. Anatomically perfect, patient-specific solutions, accelerated recovery, reduced complications, and eventually a world where organ shortages are a thing of the past. With interdisciplinary collaboration, AI specialists, bioengineers, clinicians, and pharmaceutical scientists, the full potential of 3D printing in medicine is only beginning to unfold, and the coming decades may redefine what healthcare can achieve. The true power of 3D printing in medicine lies not just in labs or high-tech facilities, but in its tangible impact on patients' lives. Imagine a child born with a congenital heart defect. Surgeons can now print an exact replica of the child's heart, complete with all chambers, valves, and vessels. Before making a single incision, they rehearse the procedure on the model, anticipating complications and fine-tuning every step. This preparation transforms what was once a high-risk surgery into a calculated, precise operation, dramatically improving outcomes. Consider the story of the first patient to receive a 3D printed windpipe in Seoul. Traditional transplants would have required lifelong immunosuppressants with constant risks of infection or organ rejection. Instead, doctors used the patient's own stem cells to construct a bioprinted trachea. 6 months later, the windpipe had integrated with surrounding tissue, and the patient needed no immunosuppressants. A milestone showing that personalized medicine isn't just theory, it's a life-saving reality. Burn victims are another group reaping benefits. Mobile bioprinters can now deposit live skin cells directly onto wounds, reducing infection risk and accelerating healing. Patients achieve complete wound closure in weeks instead of months, minimizing scarring and restoring mobility and appearance far faster than traditional grafts. Even pharmaceuticals are being personalized. Patients with rare genetic profiles or complex conditions can receive tailored pills, combining multiple medications into a single, precise dosage form. Elderly patients with difficulty swallowing or children requiring exact doses benefit enormously, as AI-driven 3D printing ensures every pill fits their unique physiology. Looking toward 2030 and beyond, the possibilities are staggering. Fully functional, transplantable organs, smart implants that respond to changes in the body, and personalized drug regimens produced on demand at the point of care will redefine healthcare. Hospitals could become miniature manufacturing hubs, creating solutions specific to each patient in real time. Remote communities could access treatments previously available only in major cities, leveling the playing field for healthcare access globally. 3D printing isn't just changing medicine, it's remaking the very definition of treatment and healing. It promises precision where there was approximation, speed where there was delay, and personalization where there was standardization. From the operating room to the pharmacy, from lab benches to patient bedsides, this technology is turning what once seemed like science fiction into daily reality. In the coming decades, medicine may no longer be a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Every bone, every organ, every dose could be crafted just for you. And when that future arrives, we won't just be treating patients, we'll be transforming lives one layer at a time.